insist on me. Insist on me. Holy Ghost, insist on me. Till I look like Jesus. Holy Ghost, insist on me. Insist on me. Holy Ghost, insist on me. Till I look like you. Holy Ghost, insist on me. Don't let me go. Holy Ghost, insist on me. Don't leave me alone. Holy Ghost, insist on me. Insist on me. Holy Ghost, insist on me. Till I look like Jesus. Son of David. David. Son of David. Insist on me. I just want to please you. Hey, insist on me. I just want to please you. Insist on me. Insist on me. Insist on me. Take pride away. Take flesh away. Take self away. I just want to please you. I just want to please you. Elijah kuji evitilana ni ekatijelo etena no wiki ekitina ni already asane akele erutaya tenigayo. I just want to please you, Jesus. Today is not one of those days where you pretend. If speaking in tongues is a distraction, switch to your language. Today is not one of those days where you will pretend. I tell you the truth, the master is here. And today is not one of those days where you will not be reading your heart. See my heart. No shot for me. No alternative for me. I want to see you now. My friends, today is not one of those days where we speak in tongues and go home. Today is that day that you will sit with him. And even if it means speaking in your understanding, and say, Jesus, see. Don't pour oil on my head like this. Don't pour oil on my head like this, oh. I will fail you. Be real with him. Don't pour oil on my head like this. Today is not one of those days where you pretend before him. Tell him, say, Master, I have this infirmity. Don't pour oil on this infirmity. Don't pour oil on it.